Hey everybody, Quintin with Highland Ridge RV and the open range lineup of travel trailers and fifth wheels. I'm here with Josh today. He and I snuck into the Plant 1 manufacturing facility here Saturday morning. I know we're doing our Fun Fact Friday, so maybe it's a little bit weird that we're doing it on a Saturday, but it seemed like a good time when we could get in here when no one else is in here and really give you a good idea of what happens as we're putting these things together. One thing that I wanted to talk to everybody a little bit about today is some of the changes that we've made, some of the cool things that have been happening at Highland Ridge that we really feel are going to make a big difference in the quality of product that you as dealers and our retail customers are going to see in our finished product moving forward. Most of these changes were implemented towards the beginning of this year. One thing that we're doing a little bit differently is we're beginning to batch run our products. Here in Plant 1, we build a huge breadth of product. We build all of our Roamer and Mesa Ridge travel trailers and fifth wheels. We build all of our Journeyer travel trailers. And of course, we build all of our big 3X fifth wheels in this manufacturing facility as well. All of our light travel trailers and fifth wheels are built in our Plant 2 facility. Just down here is where our line makes its turn, but at the far end of that facility, quite a ways down the other end, is where a chassis will roll in and just as a raw frame, and where we begin the manufacturing process. Right here, they've really started to take shape, as you can tell. This is a 316 Mesa Ridge travel trailer. If we were to go back 2 more stations and turn the corner, you'd see about 10 Roamer or Mesa Ridge 316 travel trailers all in a row. This may not seem like a big deal, but we've noticed a huge improvement in the quality of product that we're starting to turn out by really taking and batch running several of each model together. If we were to continue on, and Josh and I will, hopefully he'll be able to follow me with the camera as we make our way down to final finish down here towards the end. You'll notice that, what have we got here? This looks like our new 376 fifth wheel. Our new 376 Roamer fifth wheel. And we'll probably see 8, 9, or 10 of those lined up as we head out final finish down here at the end. The difference being that it used to be the way that we would schedule our runs was really dictated by you, the dealers, in many cases. If you called up and ordered a 316 travel trailer and a 376 Roamer fifth wheel and a 3X 349 and a Journeyer JT 340, well, you might see one 316 next to a 376, next to a 3X, next to a Journeyer. We were putting out a great product when you take into account that our guys that work out here on the line had to switch from one product to the next to the next. What we've been able to accomplish now by batch running is a much higher level of finished product, the quality, the end result. When these guys are able to take and build the same thing 10 times in a row now, what we end up with, the efficiencies that we're able to produce because of that are significantly greater. So Josh, you ready to follow me down the line here? Let's do it, buddy. All right, we've moved a little bit further down the line here. What I was hoping to show you real quick, if Josh can pan in on it, are these signs that we have hanging all throughout the factory here. If you were here with us, you'd see these hanging on all the walls, up from the ceiling rafters. Well, what this is talking about is our continuous improvement initiative that we began at the beginning of this year. We have set some pretty serious goals for ourselves in what we're trying to accomplish down here on the production lines. We really do have the expectation that we are trying to build the highest quality, best built RV or fifth wheel and travel trailer on the market. And we've put some really significant goals into place to help us accomplish that. Goals that bring into play some really serious accountability for the guys down here on the line. And what we're seeing is a much better product as a result of it. Folks, thanks for joining us, and please join us again next week.